Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys. Hi, 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 hi. So today is another day. Yeah, again for today's activities. There are 12 days today. There are no mortality recorded today. They are all okay, healthy. We're looking for water. They finished what I gave them yesterday, so I need to increase the quantity of what I do give them. So they finished it today. They are okay. They are okay and going so big, like so big, so big, so big. I'm so happy. This day is just giving me joy. It's just giving me joy. I will change out my outfit now and start up and start up and start up. I'll first of all wash their drinkers and give them water. They are all waiting for water. They are all waiting. They are thirsty, waiting for water. So I'll give them water first before any other thing. So guys, wait for us. You'll be right back, okay? Stay tuned. So I've given them a little water now. Let me be drinking first. After I'll give them enough water. They are drinking it. So it's feeding time. I want to give them food now. So let's go. Let's go. So I'm done feeding them. I like filling their feeding trough so that at least it will stay some days, 2 3 days before they will finish it. I don't like giving them small small. Every day I'll be giving them food. So I like to full it first. So at least I'll rest. I'm a lazy person. I'm a lazy person. So that's it. At least this one will last for 4 days. Then I'll fill it again. I like filling it. So that I don't like giving them food every day. At this stage, I don't like giving them food every day. Every day I'll be putting it fire. I have food, so I like filling it. At least I will rest for 3 4 days before I will give it, and before I will fill it again. So we are done. They are now eating. They now have enough feed to eat, to eat, and rest, and poo, and grow. So that's it, guys. There are 11. There are 12 days today. 12 days today. They are big, oh, like big. In reality, I don't know. I don't know whether it's no. It's not the same size in this video. So they are so big. They are not eating. Let me quickly give them enough water now and start going. So now let me give them their water now. It's time for them to drink. They're waiting for water. So guys, they're not drinking water, eating. Now have enough water and enough food. So that's it for today. Bye. See you guys tomorrow.